Brockhouse Group is an SME. It's based in West Bromwich, employing about just under 50 people. We are essentially a forging manufacturer of steel forged components. Energy is one of the bigger challenges for the business in terms of increasing energy costs, and that makes quite a challenge for a business where energy is the third largest cost of its operation. I'm a board member of Brockhouse Industrial Cluster. They made us aware that the Decarbonisation Programme was coming, and it was an opportunity coming at the right time. We had an energy-intensive audit. Enviro supported that, and that identified 10 opportunities for energy reduction, and we chose 4 out of those 10. We then looked at primarily to improve the efficiency of our largest forge furnace, and that will give us quite a considerably reduced gas usage. This programme has enabled us to invest in technologies which we perhaps wouldn't have done so because it wouldn't have met our payback criteria as a commercial business. You are effectively halving the cost by having 50% grant. That brings that payback period down. Anyone who's interested in reducing their energy consumption and reducing their carbon footprint, absolutely go for it. If more and more companies sign up for this, then the region as a whole will become more competitive, more sustainable, and that's got to be good for the Black Country, for the West Midlands area.